namumblema po si Lieutenant Colonel Guevara kung magkanong pera ang kanyang idedeklara kasi namumblema siya dun sa mga alpha na bibigyan niya ng pera.
Colonel Cabradilla, sinabi mo yung 27 million ng lunchtime, right? Tapos ngayon sinabi mo, hindi mo na sigurado.
Why did you not include that in your report to General Nartates, that there was an amount exceeding the 4.6 million when he called you?
Sinabi ko po sa kanya, Mr. Chair.
General Nartates, did he mention that to you? Sir?
No, Your Honor.
Kung magkano talaga yung hinahanap po sa kanya kung magkano talaga yung pera, Mr. Chair.
At hindi siya nagsabi?
Hindi po siya nagsasabi, Mr.
Kung ako,
Chair.
ibibigwasan ko yan.
Yun na nga po sana, Mr. Chair.
General Mariano, you are continuing lying, ano? Alam mo, wag, General Mariano. Colonel Cabradilla, bakit ikaw gumawa ng progress report?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. I helped in making the progress report on the direction and instruction of my district director, Your Honor.
Oh, siya sabi niya wala siyang wala siya inuutos.
Yes, sir. If I may explain the detail.
Okay, sige, go ahead.
One early morning, I think that was Monday, yung kasing kaso na operation na DSO yun, nasampanan nila yung kaso. And pag kinabukasan, hinahanap na ni district director yung report.
Okay.
Yung progress report. And dahil magkakasama kami sa quarters, doon din ako nakatira sa quarters niya. Ako yung unang nakita niya na officer, senior officer doon. So ako ang nautusan. Pero paki-facilitate mo nga na magawa na kaagad yung report para masubmit dahil hanggang ngayon, that was I think almost 9 o'clock in the morning, wala pang sinasubmit na report. In fact, nasampa na yung kaso kahapon.
Pero is that the line of your position? Yung progress report, yung pagre-report ng ganyan? Trabaho mo ba yan? Controller ka, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Trabaho yun, pero alam mo, kapag hindi mo trabaho, hindi mo dapat gampanan, di ba? Nag-uutos sa kanya si General Mariano.
As I have said, I facilitated and helped. Hindi ako ang gumawa. Kaming actually ang gumagawa noon, si Master Sergeant Dilayon, yung investigator. Kasi nung inutusan ako ni District Director na i-follow up, tinawagan ko si, I think, I don't know kung si Major Quijana or it was Lieutenant Colonel Guevara. Tinatanong ko, saan yung report? And sino ang investigador na gumagawa. So sinabi nila sa akin na si Master Sergeant Dilayon, that's why Master Sergeant Dilayon was contacted at nag-report sa akin doon sa DD's quarters.
Okay, Congressman Acop wanted to intervene. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Kayo po ay controller.
Yes, Your Honor. Sir.
Ano po ba ang trabaho at saka jurisdiction ng controller?
To manage the financial resources of the district, Mr. Chair.
Kasama ba yun yung financial resources na nahuhuli?
Among other my duties and responsibilities.
I'm asking you, kasama ba sa pag-manage ng controller yung pera ng mga nahuhuli subject of warrants or search warrants?
No, Mr. Chair.
O bakit ka nakikialam?
Hindi po ako nakialam, Mr. Chair.
Pakikialam yun?
Hindi po ako nakialam sa pera, Mr. Chair. We are talking about the report, Mr. Chair.
Pakikialam yung ginawa mo?
No, I helped only in the making of the second progress report, Your Honor. That's nothing to about the money.
Bakit ikaw ang nagsusupervise ng paggawa ng second progress report?
It was because I was instructed by my district director to follow it up, Your Honor.
Bakit hindi yung Director for Operations ninyo o yung Director ng Investigation Division ninyo? Bakit ikaw?
As I have said, one early morning doon sa quarters, ako yung unang yung nakita niyang officer doon.
Tanong ko kailan o ano bakit ikaw ang nautusan ng iyong director? Samantalang hindi mo linya.
It is up to the district director. Ako po yung inutusan niya, Your Honor. I don't have any control on that, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo sinabi na wala akong alam dyan?
Mr. Chair, I'm a victim of this. Ako na ang tumulong, ako pang nasali dito sa kaso, Mr. Chair. So I am trying to answer the question.
Wait muna.
Okay,
Congressman Paduano,
Patapusin muna ni Colonel yung tanong ni Chairman Akop.
yes. Before you answer back, please respect the line of questioning, then you answer. Ha? Okay, sige. So, Congressman Ako, please.
Wala, ako naging controller ako, iho eh. Pero hindi ako nakikialam sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi ko jurisdiction. Ikaw, pakialamero. Di ba? Bakit ka nakikialam sa isang operation na wala kang kaalam-alam?
Is it true na...
Maring may alam ka. Pero as it is, bakit ka nakikialam dun sa progress report? Kasi according to Police Colonel Guevara, you were the one who asked him to go to a case conference at naging nervyoso si Colonel Guevara. That was taken from the informal investigation na kinonduct ni General Nartates. Nandito eh. Colonel Cabradilla asked him to go to a case conference, instead for which he became nervous. He was told, gumawa ka ng report, ilabas mo na yan. Even if he stated that he did not want to take out the money because to do so would mean that he will be held liable as team leader. The report was to make it appear that they inventoried the money together with the media. Samantalang hindi naman na-inventory ito eh. Inalabas to, 4 na karton. Nakitang-kita doon sa video. Isinakay doon sa sasakyan ni Major Quijana. Kasama si Colonel Guevara, yung si Michael, si Desder, at saka si Demokrito. Gusto nyo kumplituhin ko na yung istorya?
Okay, huwag muna, Congressman Ako, please. Colonel Cabradilla, what makes you so special that you were ordered to make that progress report? Yun ang pilit na tinatanong sa iyo ni Congressman Akop, and at the same time si Paduano, that ano bang special sa iyo? Bakit ikaw ang gagawa ng report? Why?
Mr. Chair, as I have said, hindi po akong gumawa. Tinulungan ko lang po yung investigador,
Yeah.
Mr. Chair.
Why?
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Busita, last na. Tapos we will go to you na.
Mr. Chair, mag-interject lang po.
Hindi, tapusin ko lang yung tanong ko, no? Okay, so, is it true that you told Major Quijana na huwag dalhin yung pera sa bahay ng kanyang kapatid na si Ana? Is it true?
I did not say anything about that, Your
Wala kang sinabing ganun. Quijana, Major Quijana, meron kang kapatid na babae na Ana ang pangalan?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala kang kapatid? Pamilya na Ana?
Pinsan po, Your Honor.
Yun. Taga saan? Taga Kabya? Taga saan ang bahay niya?
Marilao po, Your Honor.
Marilao, Bulacan. Sa Kabya.
Hindi po Kabya, Your Honor.
Saan?
Barangay Loma de Gato po, Your
Yun.
Honor.
At Ana ang pangalan niya.
Opo, Your Honor.
At doon pinatatago una yung pera.
Wala po kung ipinapatagong pera, Your Honor. Yung pong sarili po namin pera,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Alright. Sige. Okay. Colonel Cabradilla. Ngayon. Medyo that make us wonder, no? Na hindi mo trabaho, ginagampanan mo yung trabaho. Most especially, no? Most especially, yung ganitong kalaking pera, no? Nung malaman mo na kailan mo nalaman na may 27 million?
Pakitanggal nga, Colonel, yung ano.
Kailan mo
Thank
nalaman
you.
na mayroong 27 million?
I think in the morning where
Morning of what?
nung Sunday, nung nagpatawag si District Director, kasama ko si
Okay, Sunday ano? What?
kasama ng
Morning of Sunday morning, alam mo na, yung 27 million, correct?
I think it's about lunch or after.
Okay.
Your,
Imagine, Colonel Cabradilla, lunchtime alas 12. Alam mo na yung 27 million mo. Yung 27 million. Pero yung boss mo, si General Mariano, hindi pa niya alam yung 27 million. Mas nauna ka pa nalaman yung 27 million dahil doon sa spot report, sinasabi ni General Mariano na hindi niya alam na meron nga media sa gabi eh. Napakaswerte mo naman. You are so lucky that alam mo na yung 27 million ng September 17 ng lunchtime, pero yung boss mo hindi niya alam na may 27 million. Hindi mo sinabi kay General Mariano na may 27 million?
Mr. Chair, sa kanila ko po nalaman yung 27.
Kanino mo nalaman yung 27 million?
Nung nag-submit na ng report si DSOyo, nung pinareport ni District Director,
Kailan?
Mr. Chair.
16, 17?
That was lunchtime of after lunch ng
2016?
ng Sunday.
Di alam na ni General Mariano. General Mariano, ba't hindi mo alam? Sunday pa lang pala, alam na. Ni 27 million, pero sinasabi mo, hindi mo alam, pati yung pagdating ng media doon, na dinala yung pera doon. So, hindi nyo alam.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, sir.
nung alauna po ng hapon, nag-usap po kami noon sa opisina ko. Dahil nga po hindi siya nagsasubmit ng mga report. Andun po si Lieutenant Colonel Guevara, si Colonel Gabradilla, tsaka po si Lieutenant Colonel Liogo.
So, sinabi na yung 27 million doon.
Namumblema po.
Hindi, tanongin mo muna ako, General Mariano.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair, wala pong sinabi doon si Lieutenant Colonel Guevara.
No, di Cabradilla, lunchtime yung 27 million.
Sinabi po sa akin, Mr. Chair, ni Colonel Cabradilla, na namumblema po si...
So, si General Cabradilla, hindi mo sinabi kay General Mariano na may 27 million nung malaman mo nung lunchtime? General Cabradilla, hindi mo sinabi? Colonel Cabradilla, hindi mo sinabi kay General Mariano na may 27 million ng September 17?
I think during the meeting na nabanggit yung pera na yun, sir.
Okay, so nabanggit doon sa meeting. So, ano si General Mariano?
Yes, sir. I'm not sure kung doon mismo sinabi
Oh
yung
my
27
goodness.
million, but about the money.
Colonel Cabradilla, you are under oath. Ayaw na namin magpakulong dito. Lunch pa lang, alam mo na, sinabi mo kanina, sa spot report, sinabi mo may 27 million. Ngayon sinasabi mo, hindi ka makasigurado dahil nag-conference kayo. Okay, granting na nag-conference kayo ng alauna. O sabihin na natin alas 2, sabihin na natin alas 3, sabihin na natin alas 4. Okay, nag-conference kayo. So nalaman nyo yung 27 million doon. Nalaman ba ni General Mariano na may 27 million?
Yes, alam niya kasi yun yung perang
So, General Mariano, bakit sinasabi mo kanina na hindi mo alam? At nalaman mo lamang yan nung nagkaroon na ng progress report noong gabi na kung saan sakalang tinawag sakalang na-receive ni General Artates noong 18 ng September yung third progress report na sinasabi yung 27 million. There must be somebody lying.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh,
Mr. Chair, pwede pong paliwanag ko po. Nung alauna po ng hapon, hindi naman po nagsalita doon si Lieutenant Colonel Guevara, kundi si Colonel Cabradilla lang. Sinasabi niya po doon na namumblema po si Lieutenant Colonel Guevara kung magkanong pera ang kanyang idedeklara kasi namumblema siya doon sa mga alpha na bibigyan niya ng pera. Sinabihan ko sila na wala akong ano doon sa pera. Basta ang importante sa akin, ilitaw niyo na yung pera kung magkano at sabit niyo na yung report ngayong araw na to. Kasi obligado na ako kay Adi mag-report dahil sinabi ko na kay Adi na may pera kayong nakuha.
Alam mo, General Mariano, it doesn't make sense eh. Unang-una sinasabi ni Colonel Cabradilla, nalaman na niya yung 27 million. Ngayon, nagdadahilan na siya, naiipit na siya. So sinabi niya, hindi niya malaman kung sinabi yon doon sa conference na nangyari. Pero kanina tinatanong ko kung alam na, kailan niya nalaman. Ano sabi niya? September 17, lunchtime. Sinabi niya yun eh. Colonel Cabradilla, sinabi mo yung 27 million ng lunchtime, right? Tapos ngayon sinabi mo, hindi mo na sigurado kasi mukhang doon sa conference sinabi yung 27 million, di ba? So ngayon, dinedepensa ni General Mariano na hindi sinasabi ni Colonel Guevara yung totoong 27 million. But in accordance to what you have said a while ago, sinalaman mo na yung 27 million. Kaya nga ito nakapokus yung utak ko eh. So sinabi mo, mayroon ng 27 million, dapat nasabi, alam na ni General Mariano, but General Mariano is trying to insist right now na hindi pa sinasabi ni Colonel Guevara yung 27 million. And prudence dictates, you are all in trouble already. At imposible hindi nyo tanungin yung pera. Si General Artates nga, 4.6 lang, nag-worry na eh. Oh, di more than that, mas lalo kayo mag-worry. Dahil yung superior, nagwo-worry 4.6 million pa lamang. Hindi nga niya alam, akala nga niya 4.6 lang million eh. Pero because they have found several evidences that is beyond 4.6 million, he tried to investigate. Di ba? Pero kayo parang okay lang kayo, parang hindi niyo pa inaalam yung, oh hindi, oh sige, yan lang. Hindi niyo pa inaalam. And that's worries us. Kasi, I don't know. I really don't know. Medyo, ako, bumigat na naman yung damdamin ko. Congressman
Mr.
Flores.
Chair, Mr.
Thank you.
Chair, may I?
Mr. Chair. This is just in relation to that topic here, Mr. Chair. Because at the last hearing, I categorically asked Colonel Guevara and General Mariano as far as that information is concerned. And it is on record in our last meeting, Mr. Chair, that Colonel Guevara said that after their operations, he went to see General Mariano. And during that meeting, Mr. Chair, he said that he was directed by General Mariano not to include the 27 million. I also asked General Mariano, did you order Colonel Guevara not to include it? He said, I did not do it. And then I said, who asked or who mentioned not to include the 27 million? At that time, Your Honor, that was 10 o'clock, Mr. Chair. Colonel Guevara, is that correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So at that time, General Mariano knew already of the 27 million.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
General Mariano, in my questioning the last hearing, did I not ask you categorically whether or not you ordered Colonel Guevara not to include the 27 million in the initial report? And you said you did not.
Yes, Mr.
But you already knew about the amount.
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po alam kung magkano. Sinabi lang po niya, Mr. Chair, na may pera silang nakuha na hindi nila in-inventaryo sa nung araw na yun, Mr. Chair. Wala pa pong pera.
Exact figure.
Yes, walang exact figure kasi kung nagsasabi po siya ng totoo kung ano po.
Okay,
Mr. Chair.
Assuming for granted, no, that's correct. Why did you not include that in your report to General Nartates, that there was an amount exceeding the 4.6 million when he called you?
Sinabi ko po sa kanya, Mr. Chair.
General Nartates, did he mention that to you? Sir?
No, Your Honor.
And
Thank
that's the
you, Mr.
problem, Congressman Flores, Chairman. Medyo na-confused din ako doon eh. Kasi nga, you were talking with General Nartates eh. General Nartates called you about the 4.6. And then, may mga tawag na. And then, yung mga tawag na yun, basically, dapat nag-iisip na tayo, bakit ba may magandang pressure? So, sana, inalam mo na kung ano talaga yung issue about that. And accordingly, allegedly, sinasabi mo that hindi mo nalaman yung 27 million. And that is something that it's hard to comprehend with all the members of this committee. And basically, without informing yung boss na si General Nartates about it, something that is questionable, General Mariano. Lahat na ng mga tao mo, si Colonel Cabradilla, si Colonel Quijano, si Major Quijana, lahat sila alam na nila. Ikaw na lang hindi nakakaalam ng 27 million eh. And that is something that is questionable, being the head of the SPD. Diba?
Mr. Chair.
Would you agree with that? Would you agree with that?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Yes,
Yeah.
Mr. Chair. Pero sa akin lang po, Mr. Chair, masyado ko nagtiwala sa nire-report ni Lieutenant Colonel Guevara na kung magkano talaga yung hinahanap po sa kanya kung magkano talaga yung pera, Mr. Chair.
At hindi siya nagsabi?
Hindi po siya nagsasabi, Mr.
Kung ako,
Chair.
ibibigwasan ko yan.
Yun na nga po sana, Mr. Chair.
General Mariano, you are continuing lying, Alam mo, wag, General Mariano. Wag kayong magsinungaling dito kasi nakikita na namin yung picture eh. Kasi unang-una, yung inutusan mo si Colonel Cabradilla, ayusin yung progress report. So, kung inuutusan mo si Colonel Cabradilla, nalaman na ni Colonel Cabradilla yung 27 million. Di ba? Siya ang pagkatiwalaan mo, tapos hindi niya i-report yung 27 million sa iyo. That is highly impossible to us.
Mr. Chair.
All members who are here today are not convinced with all these alibis that you are manifesting in this committee. And stop. Please. Stop lying. Ayaw na namin.
Mr. Chair, hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Mr. Chair. Sinasabi ko lang po talaga yung totoo nung hapon ng linggo. sinabi po ni Colonel Cabradilla sa akin na namumblema si Lieutenant Colonel Jolet kung magkano talaga yung perang iano niya dahil namumblema sila dun sa mga bibigyan nilang pera dun sa tennis. Sabi ko sa kanya, Mr. Chair, kung tapusin niya lang po ako. Hindi naman po nagsalita dun si Chief DSOU kundi si Colonel Cabradilla lang. At sinabi po niya dun na ilabas niyo na yung report. Kaya po 16 pa lang, hinihintay ko na po yung report para po may sabi ko. Pero hindi na po nagsasabit sa akin ng report si Chief DSOU. Noong Lunes na lang po siya nagsabit na dated 16 na nakuha lang po namin dun sa...
General Mariano, kung,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
kung nung 17, nung linggo, alam mo na hindi na nagsasabit, hindi na sila sumusunod sa iyo, di ba? Hindi mo man lang ba naisip na dapat tawagan, kasi hindi na sumusunod sa iyo eh. Sabi mo eh. Di ba? Hindi nila sinasabi kung magkano eh. Di ba dapat tinawagan mo na si General Natates para sabihin na, oh, sir, may problema ako dito. Kasi hindi na sumusunod ang mga tao ko sa akin. Yung ebidensya na sinasabi mo na hindi mo nakita dahil wala sa DSOU, hindi ka na ba na nag-worry doon? Di ba dapat tinawagan na natin si General Natates, sir, may problema tayo dito. Pati yung ebidensya na sinasabi na more than 4.6 million, wala dito. And even the 4.6, wala dito. Dapat sinabi na natin yun sa regional director. Wala dito ebidensya. Tapos hindi ko pa alam kung magkano yung sobra sa 4.6 at hindi na sumusunod ang mga tao ko. That made you concerned dapat.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chairman. Bigyan na po natin si Kwan, yung minority kasi siya dapat ang Kwan eh.
Okay, sorry. Hindi pumasok lang, hindi ko sinasadya, pero Congressman Bosita, sige, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, and thank you, Vice Chairman Akop, sir. At napansin niyo pala, sir, kanina pa ako nanggigigil eh.